Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am cleaning my apartment once again. So if you like these type of videos and this type of motivation, just keep on watching. Before we get into more of this video, this is a collaboration with this house of ours. Her name is Jenifer, and she does cleaning, motherhood, and lifestyle videos. So once you guys are done with this video, go in my description box below and check her channel out. You guys will really love her cleaning motivations and as well as her vlogs. So yeah guys, let's get started with cleaning my hot mess of a house again. Well, apartment, but I always call it a house. I don't know why. If you guys do head over to Jenifer's channel, which you really should, make sure to let her know I sent you. And if you guys are coming from her channel, welcome. My name is Shalik, so you guys can call me Shelly or Rosario, whichever you guys prefer. So I also do cleaning videos, DIYs, decorating videos, cook with me videos, all types of lifestyle videos, and I am recently just started doing some lives, which I have so much fun with. So hopefully in the future you guys will join my lives as well, and hopefully you guys end up staying and subscribing and supporting, because I love to support others as well. So yeah, let's just get started with my kitchen, which is forever doing the dishes. Honestly guys, after I washed the dishes, I walked around and there were so many other dishes just chilling around, and I was so upset. But hey, that's how it all goes. And as you guys can see my phone right there, I really do watch people clean while I'm doing my dishes. I actually watch them clean as well as I clean in general. So I think it's like a good way to have like motivation, just to have people in the background cleaning with me, because technically we're like cleaning together, but not really. So I hope you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I really enjoy watching these type of videos, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So I recently had my niece's baby shower, so I used a lot of these cake stands for her decoration. So I had to put it all back, which was fine because I needed to clean that area anyways. And I just put back all my fall decor, as well as that cake stand to the far left. I got it from the Target dollar spot, and I didn't know what I was going to use it for, so I decided to just put my Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and my dish soap on there. I actually haven't used the dish soap just yet, only to just clean out my sink. So I'm not really sure like if I like it or not, but it is nicely displayed there. So I thought it was pretty cute just putting it right on the little cake stand, because I've seen it in a lot of YouTubers channels and I thought it was pretty cute, so I wanted to copy. And yeah guys, it's definitely super cute. Now this area right here, I did decorate it before, however I just felt like it was too cluttered, so I ended up just taking off the leaves and just putting the leaves in a different area, and as well as just took away that white little vase thingy, whatever I had, and I put it away. It was just too cluttered over there, but it's fine because I really don't like my kitchen counters so cluttered. That's why the other part of the counter has its own little tiny decor area. But this stove, I don't know guys, this is just a hot mess stove. I don't know, I'm just a messy cooker, and I just have a bad habit of cooking and spilling food over and not cleaning up after myself, which is really bad and just gets stained. But I have seen a bunch of YouTubers do like a baking soda and vinegar type of solution, so I'm gonna try that out and hopefully it works. I mean, it worked for them, so it should work for me, unless I do something wrong, which is kind of likely, because when it comes to things cleaning wise and I think it's gonna work out, I tend to mess up. But anyways, guys, let me stop talking. And actually, I'm not going to stop talking. Sorry. So I decided just to quickly clean out my pantry just a little bit and my fridge because it was getting a little bit out of control up in there in both areas. So it is kind of empty because I am going to go grocery shopping, or well, by the time I post this video, I already did. But I also have a bad habit of not cleaning my fridge before I do groceries. But now I'm going to make that a routine because I feel like the more you clean areas, the better and the less nasty and gross it gets. So guys, I freaking hate sweeping. Sweeping, mopping, just, you know what? I just hate cleaning in general. I just wish I just woke up and my house was like nicely clean. But it's not, life is not that way. Houses are not that way, or apartments, or whatever you call your home. But yeah, I definitely just do not like sweeping and mopping, and that's why I really want a vacuum that's cordless so I could just start like sucking up all the dirt off the ground and stuff so easily. I feel like once I get a better vacuum, I'm going to be vacuuming like every single day because I'm so excited. But I'm also in the process of getting the cedar mop. I still got like $20 left to actually buy it, but I'm going to just gift that to myself because you're adulting when a mop gets you excited. So I do have a bunch of stuff under my little coffee station, but like I stated before, I did have my niece's baby shower, so I used a lot of things from my apartment just to decorate her table, which, guys, if you haven't seen both those videos, you guys go check it out. Actually 3 of those videos, because by the time this is posted, all 3 of my baby showers, my niece's baby shower, will all be uploaded. And yeah, definitely go check out those videos because I really had a fun time doing some DIYs and all that good stuff. Here I am again, mopping some more with my really not so great sweeper, whatever it's called. I just don't like it. Anyways, these DIY pillows, guys, were a hot mess. I mean, they came out super cute when I first did it, but now it's like all falling apart, and I feel like I just didn't put much effort into it. So it is getting later in the season, so I'm definitely not going to buy any new ones. So I'm just going to deal with what I have. But definitely next year, I just do it correctly. Ugh, guys, I don't know. I thought it was super cute, and then just detangled and all that stuff right there. I don't know. But yeah, obviously you guys see me here just fixing up my dining room table because I was letting it dry from the mopping. And I still don't like how this is decorated on top, but oh well. Like I said, look at how hot mess those pillows are. Anyways, guys, also, these big, huge windows, do they ever, like those blinds, do they ever always break on you? Because I feel like they're always like ripping off, and I just don't understand, guys. Why is that always ripping off? It's like every single apartment I have one of those big window sliding door patio thingies, and it just rips off all the freaking time. You guys, I don't know why it took me this long to get a wax melter, but this thing here is amazing. I got it from Target, and this wax melt thingamajiggy, I don't know, yeah, it's called a wax melter, but I don't know. It definitely smells up the whole entire apartment, and I just cannot believe how long I waited to actually get one. And ever since I got it, it's like, oh my goodness, guys, I hardly do candles, which don't get me wrong, I still like candles, but this wax warmer is definitely something you guys should really get. It does fill up the air so nice. And this one, I think you guys seen it. It was a pumpkin bourbon, I believe, and it just smells so good. Like my house smells like a whole pumpkin. And surprise, surprise, my office did not stay clean as long as I was hoping to. But to my defense, it has been 2 weeks since I've actually cleaned this office. But you know, I mean, it's not called a catch-all if it's not really a catch-all. This curtain, I actually have to put it up again. Look at that. Girl, you need to stop. What is this? Why is all that shopping? No, I'm just kidding. It was a little shopping thing spree, I guess, for my nieces and nephew for Christmas. Because, yes, I like to shop for Christmas early because it's less stressful, and it's also, I guess, is more convenient, and I can plan it out a lot better if I shop early. So that's why you don't see a haul on those items, because obviously it's, you know, Christmas gifts. So I don't want to spoil it for my nieces and nephews, because my aunts and uncles, sorry, my brother and my sisters, and then my sister-in-laws and brother-in-laws, whatever you may call them, they I think they see my videos. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I didn't want to do a haul. Maybe, I don't know, guys, maybe I should do like after Christmas, like what I got for everybody for Christmas video. I don't know, is that even a thing? And I don't want to seem like I'm bragging and be like, oh yeah, I got this person this. However, it's like all the things that I buy for Christmas is really like, you know, just little cute little, you know, I don't know, guys. I just like Christmas shopping. I am stressful when it comes to that, but I love to spoil I love to spoil everyone. So let's get going with my room. This is going to be the last area that I clean, and I saved it for last because my camera died, because my camera always dying. I'm also going to clean my bathroom in my room, which just a pretty much a quick tidy up, because before I actually cleaned my everything, this whole apartment, I did a deep cleaning of my bathroom, but I didn't record it because my bathroom's so small, and it just feels like so uncomfortable when I film in there, because it's just too small, and it's just like, yeah, I don't know why I just keep looking at, I mean, what is that? I like cracking up when I was editing. I was like, what were you trying to do? I guess I was trying to fluff the pillows, but I was dramatically just destroying the bed with the pillows. I guess I was getting mad. So you see those laundry baskets right there? Guys, it takes me literally like 2 weeks to actually put away my clothes, and finally I actually put it away. And of course, since I was digging up in there, they all kind of like, you know, unfolded. So I'm over here just finally refolding and putting all my laundry away, guys. But which, by the way, between me and you, well, between me and all y'all, I did some more laundry, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be there for another 2 weeks. So that's what I do. I like to do laundry and don't put away my stuff. But hey, who else does that? So guys, this is getting the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys, and remember, I am doing a giveaway, which is in my first live. In the description box you'll see the details of that giveaway, and it will be announced in a live October 31st. So if you didn't join that giveaway, please do so. I will also have that linked in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys subscribe, hit this video if you like it, and please share me, shout me out. I don't know, guys, just please subscribe to my channel. I truly support everybody that supports me, and I truly love you guys. So yeah, until the next video, I will see you later, and make sure you go to Jenifer's channel below and check her out. So I'll see you later. Bye.